The Asus NovaGo blends wireless connectivity of the future with ports of the past in an average-looking 2-inch-1 foldable laptop design. It promises better than all-day battery life and an amazing 22 hours of video playback. It's the first always-connected gigabit Windows laptop and boasts better than all-day battery life thanks to its Snapdragon 835 chipset and Snapdragon X16 LTE modem. The Asus NovaGo is built for mobility, affordability and longevity, so it doesn't do anything to innovate on the 2-inch-1 foldable designs we've seen over the last 2 years. The plastic design of this 13.3-inch laptop doesn't stand out from ultra-slim laptops in cases in aluminum like the 13-inch MacBook or the Dell XPS 13, but it's not all bad news. There is something the NovaGo does have: ports. While other computer manufacturers are shedding standardized ports in favor of newer USB-C options, and them alone, the Asus NovaGo kicks it old school with 2 USB 3 Type-A ports, an audio jack, an HDMI port and a microSD card slot. The Asus NovaGo features a 13.3-inch Full HD display which is bright and clear thanks to the LED backlit panel, although it's not going to blow you away with eye-popping visuals.